Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to underline describing words. Open the Word document to view the text. After this, select the text to underline, right-click on it and choose Font. In this window, in the Underline Style field, select the option Words Only. When you click OK, you will see the text select that only the words have been underlined. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.